Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by preparing what you need. Sign in to the same Microsoft/Xbox account that owns Bedrock so licenses transfer. Next, open the Xbox app for Windows because it manages game entitlement. This lets you validate ownership without the Microsoft Store. While signed in, obtain the Bedrock M6 bundle or installer from a trusted backup source. You will sideload it. Once done, enable developer mode in Windows settings so you can use PowerShell deployment commands to install the package manually. You now sideload the game. First, make sure developer mode is on and then restart to apply changes so PowerShell can install unsigned packages. Open an elevated PowerShell window, change to the folder containing the M6 bundle. Install any required framework packages first with AddApps package, then run AddApps package for the main Bedrock bundle. This sequence resolves dependency errors. If PowerShell reports missing dependencies, install the listed runtime frameworks before retrying so the app can register correctly. You finish by verifying the install and linking the entitlement. Open the Xbox app and confirm you're signed in. The app should recognize the game license so Bedrock runs. If the app won't start, re-register the package with PowerShell using AddApps package register for the app's manifest, then restart. One key troubleshooting tip: if installs fail, check the PowerShell/apps logs for dependency names, reinstall the specific frameworks, and, if needed, use a Windows restore point before the changes to undo problematic state.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.